ready. That was him. We was right. Okay, let me go.
All right, so now we've got Mr. Bishop. Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing, Dave?
Okay, thank you. You have had an opportunity to speak with your attorney, and Ms. Taylor, were you able to go over the particulars of the warrants with him?
Yes, I was.
All right, so do you waive reading the warrants?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right, Mr. Bishop, you are charged in case number 22-025579, warrants 22W5454359, with prohibition on sexually explicit transmissions, 3 counts of that, 1 count of rape, and 1 count of false imprisonment. Because of those charges, I'm not able to set a bond in your case, so your attorney is going to follow up with you about filing a motion for bond in Superior Court. But that's going to be all we can do for you today.
Outstanding.
Yes, he ain't going home. Look at him walking away. I thought the 3 guy was
All
gonna
right,
get his
and then we
answer.
can go back to Mr. Steve.